Good day and welcome to CRM Reptile. Well, yesterday was an interesting call out. I had a call out for 2 snakes at one premises. It seems to be spotted bush snake. The people were petrified of it sitting in the windowsill. Unfortunately, one of them came out from my holding cell or my holding enclosure. So I only got this one left, but it seemed like it was a breeding pair. One male and one female. They are non-venomous. Now, they can be very feisty, these snakes, and sometimes they like biting a lot. Especially this one, he wanted to bite me now a few times when I was trying to get him out. To just show you guys that they are docile and they are non-venomous. Spotted bush snake, that was from the one call out. The other call out I had was like at 11:30 last night. It was for a brown house snake. He's a he is a very busy snake. And like I said, they're non-venomous, but they do bite. They like biting if they can. Spotted bush snake, a very awesome green snake of South Africa. I've got another awesome green snake here. It's the Western Natal green. I'll show you guys on a later video. He actually went into shed, or she went into shed, and spotted bush snake I caught yesterday afternoon. I'll show you guys the brown house snake now. I'll take him out of the tubing that it's in, that I removed, like I said, at 11:30 last night. So I'm going to put this one back into the holding enclosure. And let's go to the brown house snake. I'll show you guys him as well. Little baby brown house snake. The people were very terrified of him. They actually thought it was a venomous snake. What, did you poop yourself in there? Come on. Small brown house snake that we also caught last night. They will be released soon. Damn, the piping is smelling bad. So one of the more common snakes also found around houses, especially where there's a lot of geckos, frogs, rats, mice. You'll always find these snakes, especially the spotted bush snake. They're always around where there's a lot of geckos and stuff. But also a non-venomous snake, the little brown house snake. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one. Enjoy your day. And please, people, don't forget, like, share, follow, subscribe. It all depends on what platform you are. Every like, every share, it's a way of the right way to go, and it helps us do what we do and do what we love the most. Thanks.